Unmistakably bold and pure, with all the core ideas we wanted to develop for all future Opel models. Bold and pure, reduced to the essentials. German design at its very best. It has everything we wanted and will implement in all future Opel models. And only then, when it was completed and revealed to the leadership team in our design courtyard, Michael asked me,
Mark, couldn't we build this car and make it the next generation Mokka?
And so we did. Concept to reality, the new generation Opel Mokka.
This is the new Opel Mokka. We are immensely proud of this car.
I love this car. The Opel Mokka proportions are perfect, with short front and rear overhangs, a wide stance, and large wheels planted at the corners. You sit higher in the Mokka, but the car doesn't look high. We didn't want it to look like a little box. We wanted it to be sporty and dynamic. I've talked about the Manta's face and how it inspired the new face of all Opel cars you will see in the next few years. Here you see it in production reality for the first time. Our new brand face, the Opel Vizor. One single dark glaze module stretches across the full width of the fascia and integrates all the key visual elements. The new lighting systems, including the typical Opel wing-shaped daytime running lamps, and our new, precisely crafted logo. The Opel Vizor is progressive and very modern. It's also extremely confident without being aggressive. And it is visually perfectly organized, very clean and uncluttered. All attributes that are very German. The lighting systems use LEDs only. In the front and the rear, LEDs are standard. This allowed us to create very thin, extremely precise, powerful lighting units. As for the color execution, this version is the GS line with a particularly bold, sporty look. We've used a strong, contrasting black roof and hood to create a very sleek profile, emphasizing this further using the fresh red accent signature line to add even more energy to the design. And I think the black pack on the GS line version makes it even more dramatic. Open the door and you find red accents also in the interior of the GS line. This model has great ergonomic seats, of course, with sporty Alcantara or classic full leather, your choice. And it even has driver massage available too. But what you immediately see when entering the car is the new instrument panel layout. We call it the Opel Pure Panel, and it offers a completely new experience. There are no more analog instruments in the Opel Mokka. It's all digital. However, we have retained control buttons for essential functions in order to allow for intuitive usage and continuous focusing on the road. There are two screens of up to 10 and 12 inches, which deliver optimized information from the full maximized experience to the absolutely pure reduce mode when you decide that nothing should distract you while driving. From the beginning of our creative development, we spoke about creating visual and digital detox. We believe that we're bombarded with too much information in our daily lives and that providing a relaxed, focused experience is essential. So you'll find no fancy Hollywood-style animations in our instrument panel. Just the information you need when you need it. Bold and pure, inside and out. This is how I would summarize the design work on the new Mokka and on all Opel models you will see going forward.
bold and pure as far as design is concerned. And if we talk engineering, the new Opel Mokka is both efficient and sophisticated. Hundreds of engineers have worked on the development of the new Mokka generation here in Rüsselsheim with the aim of making it agile and fun to drive on the one hand, and of lowering its environmental footprint on the other hand. Among car manufacturers in Germany, Opel is the one that made the most dramatic improvements in reducing its average fleet CO2 emissions these last months. The reduction already reached 20% between the end of 2018 and the end of 2019. I repeat, 20%. We want to continue on this path, and the new Mokka has a technology that enables it. And most of all, it is electric. This is our new fully electric Mokka, the Opel Mokka E, presented by Markus Lott, head of our Research and Development Center here in Rüsselsheim.
Thank you, Michael. The new Mokka is electric, but not only electric. It is based on Group PSA's multi-energy CMP platform, which has been developed to accommodate internal combustion powertrains as well as battery electric technology. Thanks to lightweight engineering, the new generation Mokka is up to 120 kilogram lighter than the previous one, while its body stiffness has been substantially improved. In addition, thanks to very precise development in aerodynamics, another Opel specialty, and thanks to cutting-edge engine technology, even the non-electric Mokka models have a minimal CO2 footprint. As for the electric version of the CMP platform, here it is. The battery that stores the energy in the car has been fully integrated into the platform. No space has been compromised for the driver or for the passenger. They have the same amount of room in a gasoline or an electric Mokka. The Mokka E has a lithium-ion battery that stores 50 kilowatt hours of energy, allowing for a pure electric range of 324 kilometers according to the WLTP cycle. And you can even drive further than this if you take advantage of the energy recuperation system, as easy as this. The electric motor in the Mokka E delivers 100 kilowatt, meaning 136 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 260 newton meters immediately available from the start. Select the sport driving mode, push the accelerator, and off it goes. 3.7 seconds from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour. The Mokka E is energetic, and it's electric. The Mokka E is great fun with 0-gram emission of CO2 local emissions. For recharging the battery, many solutions are available, from single-phase to three-phase AC up to high-power DC. AC, DC, the Mokka really rocks. Fast charging ability is a standard feature in the new Mokka. It can be plugged into a 100 kilowatt DC charger, and its battery can go to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. As for those who prefer to remain loyal to more traditional powertrains, we offer two very lively petrol, one diesel engine with 100 to 130 horsepower. The 130 horsepower petrol engine can be combined with a 8-speed automatic transmission, including pedals at the steering wheel, enabling manual shifting and very active driving. Given the lightness of the car, these engines provide really great fun and are also extremely frugal. Combined consumption is between 3.8 and 4.8 liters per 100 kilometer in the NEDC cycle. In terms of CO2 emissions, we are talking of 100 to 111 gram per kilometer, and of course, 0 gram for the electric version. A naive belief is that a platform is a given, a static entity which you have limited influence on. The truth is different. The CMP platform is a base our engineering team adapts and enriches to create our own vehicles with their own personalities and characteristics. We have been testing for months now. We have worked very hard on the CMP platform to create our Mokka. Especially the front axle has received a lot of our attention to combine perfect urban agility with safe, high-speed driving on the German Autobahn. I'm eager to hear your comments once you drive the car yourselves. You will then also appreciate other highlights. The new Opel Mokka is packed with upper-class technologies. If you drive by night, you will be impressed by the IntelliLux LED matrix lighting system of the Opel Mokka. It allows you to permanently remain in high beam without glaring other users. No special action is required, it's all automatic. When you find yourself in a traffic jam, you will love the advanced cruise control with the stop and go function. It brakes the Mokka to a standstill and automatically follows the car ahead of you, automatically. Combined with the advanced lane positioning system, it lets you go through traffic jams in the coolest way ever. The infotainment system in the Mokka will entertain and network you and your passengers while driving. No distraction, they have integrated voice control. And of course, it's needless to say that they are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compliant. Efficient and sophisticated. This is the technology we offer with our new Opel Mokka.